Hello everyone. So today we will be doing block 17 LP2. Name is shadow formation. So what is our aim over there? Here we will learn about the conditions that are necessary to form a shadow. Means what things are required to form a shadow. The resources that you need are thick chart paper, one torch, ball, butter paper, notebook and a clear plastic sheet. Keywords used are shadow. What is shadow? Shadow is the dark outline of an object. And second one is screen. Screen is a flat surface on which picture can be seen. So what action we will be going to perform? We will light on a source and we will be trying to find out what things are necessary to form a shadow. So for forming a shadow we need three things. What are those three things? First is an opaque object or translucent object. Opaque objects generally form shadow because they completely block light. Second thing is screen. To form a shadow, what we need? Screen. Third one is light source. Light source that is also required for forming a shadow. So these are the three things that are required to form a shadow. Firstly, opaque object, screen and light source. Now, the higher order thinking question is, how does the distance between the source of light and object affect the size of shadow? So remember one thing, if source of light is moved towards the object, then shadow will be larger. And if you are taking light source away from the object, the shadow will be smaller. Similarly, the distance between object and screen that also affect the size of shadow. If screen moves further away, the shadow will be big or vice versa. The shadow can become longer or shorter by changing the angles at which the light falls on them. So this was the very simple LP that you need three things to form the shadow. Opaque object that having capability to block the light, screen on which you can see the picture and the light source. Let's discuss the practice questions. A clear glass of water can form a shadow as light is completely blocked by it. It clearly falls because clear water is transparent object, and transparent object, they do not block the light and do not form the shadow. Second, dark and thick cloth can be used to make curtains to block light. Yes, this is true. Draw a diagram to show the formation of shadow of a bird by drawing only things necessary to form a shadow. Label the diagram. Means here you have to draw the diagram of your own choice. But the things that are necessary to form shadow, you have to mention over there: light source, screen and object. That is bird. What will happen if clear glass replaces the bird in the shadow formation arrangement? If bird is replaced by the clear glass, means transparent object, then it will not form the shadow because transparent object do not block the light. So no shadow formation will be there if we replace the bird with the clear glass. Third question is, what will happen to the size of shadow of a candle if it is moved away from the light source and towards the wall screen? You have to make the diagram. I'm just explaining the answer. If candle is moved away from the light source, the shadow will be smaller in size. Thank you.